Next question number 3. If two circles intersect at 2 points, so these two are the two circles, it is intersecting at A and B. This is the figure. Okay. Prove that their centers lies on perpendicular bisector of the common chord. So if we are drawing a chord, this one AB, this is the common chord for the first circle and second circle, correct? So we have to prove that their centers, these two are the centers, O and O dash are the centers, lies on the perpendicular bisect of the common chord. So if we are drawing one perpendicular line here, and this is the bisector of these two perpendicular lines are the bisector of the common chord AB. Okay, so their center lies on the, these two centers are lies on the this perpendicular bisector. We have to prove this. Okay, so it is given that AB is the common chord of two intersecting circle. So first one I am taking O comma R, and second one I am taking O dash R dash. Okay, so first circle I am taking the intersecting circles O 0 comma R, O comma R, and O dash R dash. Okay, so we have to prove that centers of both circles lies on the perpendicular bisector of the chord this AB. That is AB is bisected at right angle by O dash. So AB is bisecting here at right angle in the line O dash. That is the meaning. Okay, this R representing the radius of the first one, and R dash representing the radius of the second one. Okay, so for the answer proof, first of all by construction we have to join that AO. I already joined here AO dash, BO dash, and BO. We have to join these four lines. Okay, so let us start the proof here. We have to take first triangle AOO dash, AOO dash, this triangle, and triangle BOO dash, this opposite side BOO dash. I am taking these two triangles. Okay, I am trying to prove these two triangles are congruent. So how can we prove AO is equal to BO? Because AO and BO are the radius of this small circle, right? So we can equate AO is equal to BO. What is the reason? Radii of first circle. Okay, next radii of second circle. This is AO dash, and AO dash is equal to BO dash. Radius of second circle. We can equate these two also. Next, which is the common one? O dash is the common side, correct? So O dash O dash is equal to O dash, common side of these two triangles. So by using here S. So by using SSS criteria, we can write triangle AOO dash is congruent to triangle BOO dash. Which criteria? SSS, side criteria. By using side criteria, we can write these two triangles are congruent. So if these two triangles are congruent, then we can equate two angles, correct? AOO dash, this angle I am equating here, which should be is equal to angle BOO dash. I am equating this angle also. So I am equating these two angles. Okay, these two angles. Angle AOO dash is equal to angle BOO dash. How? Because by using CP/CT, congruent part of corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. I am equating these two angles here. Okay, now I am taking the triangle AOC. This is the point C. In the middle, I represented this meeting point is C. Okay, so I am taking the triangle AOC and BOC. These two triangles, this small triangle and this one I am taking. Okay, next I am trying to prove AOC and BOC are also congruent. How can we prove here? Already proved here. AOC means AOO dash and AOC, both angles are same. So we can write here angle AOC is equal to which one? Angle BOC, this angle we already proved in the first part. That is why we proved these two angles are equal. So I am writing the same thing, AOO dash. Instead of that, I am writing AOC because we took these two triangles only now. AOC is equal to angle BOC because we proved in the first part. Okay. Next, we can equate this AO is equal to BO. This AO is equal to BO, like this. AO is equal to BO. These two sides I am equating. What is the reason? Already we written here radio of first circle. Okay. Next we can equate OC because OC is the common side. This is C. So OC is equal to OC, which is common side. So this is angle side side. So by using SAS criteria, we can write these two triangles are congruent. So triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOC. What is the reason? By SAS side angle side criteria, we can write these two triangles are congruent. I written here. So if these two triangles are congruent, then we can equate this side AC is equal to BC. These two corresponding sides I am equating here. So AC is equal to BC I am equating, and we can equate angle ACO is equal to BCO. These two angles I am equating here. Okay, these two angles. So we can equate angle ACO is equal to angle BCO. So this is I am putting it as equation number 1. How we written here? Because by using CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. Okay. Next I am calculating by linear pair axiom. How can we calculate angle ACO plus BCO? These two angles sum should be is equal to what? 180 degree, because this is a straight line. So here it is making linear pair, correct? So we can equate angle ACO plus angle BCO. Sum of these two should be equal to 180 degree. Putting it as equation number 2. What is the reason? Linear pair. Making the sum should be equal to 180 degree. So if both are equal and sum of these two should be 180, then both should be 180 divided by 2, correct? 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree. So we will get angle ACO is equal to angle BCO is equal to 90 degree from 1 and 2. From the equation 1 and 2 we got angle ACO is equal to BCO is equal to 90 degree. So we can write, because now we proved these two angles in the chord meeting point, this chord and this radius meeting point, here it is making 90 degree. This one we have to prove actually, correct? So we can write hence OO dash lie on the perpendicular bisector of line AB, chord AB. Okay, so this is what we have to prove here. So the proof over. Okay.